So this is what we understand currently about celiac disease. And we know that the CD4 T cell is critical in celiac disease, right? So we know that dietary gluten is processed in the intestine and broken up and presented by antigen-presenting cells only on HLA-DQ2 or DQ8 to CD8-4 T cells. Now, the CD4 T cells are well appreciated to be important drivers of the disease. Obviously, this disease only occurs in HLA-DQ2 or DQ8 people. And these T cells, we understand, are not only responsible for initiating inflammation in celiac disease or recognizing that trigger, but also producing these antibodies that we track in terms of disease activity, antibodies against tissue transglutaminase, which is a self-antigen, as well as gluten itself, okay? But we also have long understood that CD4 T cell immunity, although necessary for the disease, is actually insufficient for the disease. And we know, we've appreciated now for quite some time, that the cells actually damaging the intestine or responsible for killing the intestinal tissue are in fact different types of T cells. So not CD4 T cells, but IELs that are either CD8 or gamma delta T cells. And these cells have a really distinct phenotype in that they express NK receptors that are used by natural killer cells. So they have like these innate like immune properties, and they're responsible for killing the tissue.